Hello and welcome to Ocean Games. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how easy and quick it is to create an AR experience with Quick AR Toolkit. So let's get started. Open up. So let's just say that you want to create simple geometry tracking AR app. What you need to do is just go to your default pawn class and add Quick AR Debugger. This is the one. And that's it. You got the geometry tracking AR experience. So let me demonstrate you how it looks. Great. Now, let's just say that you want to create an AR experience that you can place object into the world. So what you need to do is add Quick AR Object Placer, and that's it. This easy it is to create an AR experience with Quick AR Toolkit. Compile and save, and you have to pass two parameters to the Quick AR Object Placer. That is the class you want to spawn, that is spawn class reference. So let's just say that we got an object class here. What it is just a static mesh object. There's nothing in the code. It's just a static mesh object class that is derived from actor class. So let's give it a class, and that's it. You got the object placing AR experience ready. You can tweak a few parameters. You can change its placing type. So spawn once will spawn object one time only, and spawn infinitely will spawn every time a new object whenever the user touch the screen. So here you can change a few parameters. So let me demonstrate you how it looks. Great. Now let's take a look at image tracking AR experience. So what you need to do is add AR single image tracking component, and that's it. Okay, you have to pass on a few parameters. First of all, you need to pass session config. So you can create a new session config, miscalculus, and add the data assets and create a new class, AR session config. I already created this class, that is session config. Now you have to pass on the candidate image to this AR session config. So I have already created the session config. All you need to do is go to right click and go to miscalculus, add data assets, and select AR candidate image, the first one, and click on select button. It will create a new candidate image for you. Just select the image you want to track. It's also called a marker. Give it a friendly name, define a width and height and orientation, and that's it. Now give this new image to the AR session config. Let me show you. So just click on a plus button and select the image you want to track. Now give this new AR session config to Quick AR image tracking, and select the class you want to spawn on top of the image. So let's select our object class, and that's it. So that's the object lifetime you can select. So what object lifetime basically is that the static type will always be there even if you are not tracking an image. It will place that object into the world and never destroy it, while the dynamic type will destroy the object when the image is no longer tracking. You can change the cleanup rate for dynamic type, like it will define how long it will take or how frequent it will clean the object when image is no longer tracking. You can change a few parameters, like if you want to draw debug, if you want to enable the screensaver, that will turn on your screen, and autofocus. So let me demonstrate you how it looks. Now let's go to multi-image tracking. So do the same for again, create a candidate image. I got the 2 candidate images here. So create 2 candidate images and assign it to AR session config. So here, click on a plus icon and select the candidate image you want to set. It will track the 2 objects. So we have to add multi-image tracker to track multiple images. So here it is, AR multi-image tracking. So let me show you how it looks. Okay, so first of all we need to set the session config, and static life will be fine for now. So there are more options you can choose for image tracking. That is single image tracking dynamic, that will just provide the dynamic image tracking code, and static one will provide dynamic static image tracking code. It's just a separate code for the single image tracking for more performance. So same for the multi-image tracking, dynamic and static type will provide the only code needed for dynamic image tracking and static image tracking. Great. So that's it for the now. Let me know what you think about it. I'm really excited for this plugin. So write down below in the comment what you think.